What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a whole new video. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, we got some pickups today for New Balance. This is my first time ever wearing New Balances and copping New Balances. I've been slowly liking New Balance over the past year because I've been watching the things they've been releasing, the collabs they've been doing. One of my collabs that I like and upcoming collabs that I want to get, which is a few days from now, I think a day or two from now. But one of the collabs that really I like that had passed not too long ago was the Shoe Palace. They did a collab with them, and they got another collab with Paperboard Paris, the fried eggs. Those are so dope. Those shoes are like perfect for the summer, spring, and autumn time of the year to wear those shoes. I hope I get those shoes. And yeah, so like New Balance is slowly coming up on the rise, and a lot of people really get into it, but I know it's really big over in like Japan, China, and those areas. New Balance is very big over there. So I want to go ahead and dive into New Balance because this is really an affordable shoe compared to like Nikes and Jordan brand and Adidas like that. But so I got two boxes right here that I caught. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate all the likes that I could get, make this YouTube algorithm go to work so I can get some more subscribers and followers and things like that to come along for the ride. So if y'all can do that, hit that like button. Your boy would greatly appreciate it. All that damn talking, I'm sorry, my homeboy Cat is in here. He's just all over the place. He is all over the place. But anyway, let's get right to the video. All right, so first we're gonna start with the shoes that I caught off of eBay. I caught these pairs from eBay. And these are 574 models of New Balance. And I went with this this olive, like forest green, cause this is like one of my favorite colors. Reason being, the reason being I like this color. It's just like a subtle, calm colorway. And I think that this color just fit my personality because I'm a calm person and chill and laid back. So I had to go with this like this army olive / forest green. And I just like the color block that it has going on with the black, white. It got a little bit of cream in it, just a tad bit of cream, like right here, like a little off-white. Had to get this color with, because I feel like you can just match this with a lot of things. You don't have to be matchy-matchy. If y'all can hear a lot of stuff going on in the background, you know what it is, it's the cat. So you don't have to really be too matchy-matchy. And I've been lately copping like some Jordans and things like that. So the Jordans are more like high top. Well, I guess you say high top. These are more low top. And I needed some low top shoes. I've been wearing a lot of high tops for my my Jordans, my Carmen de Garçons, Converse, my regular Converse, and some boots that I have. So I'm like, let me get some low top shoes besides my my Adidas like NMDs. But I needed more like shoes like this that I can actually put on with a fit. So I had to go with this model. The 574 is like one of them simple, straightforward models you can go with. So on this model, we have like this, on the green panel right here, we have some suede and also some suede up here on the toe. And we have like this netting material right here, like some nylon netting and like some, I think you would call this like some leather, like some real soft leather, but it's not as good as like the leather on the Nike shoe, like on the Nike Jordan, if you know. And I really do like this shoe, and I like the way it's paneled out. And it's another model. I think it's a 550. I think that's the 550. It had like this retro look to it. I really, 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 really like that model of a shoe that New Balance have. And I have to cop the 550s, cause I don't know. I just seem like that retro look just looks so clean, but it looked like it fits perfect, like in today time. So I had to cop. I gotta cop that. I have to cop me a pair of those. But anyway, we got some New Balance branding on the back of the heel, and we have some New Balance right here in the bottom of the heel of the shoe, like the little rubber. And on the bottom, got some good tread, so ain't no slipping and falling. But these shoes are so clean, man. I'm glad I got them again. Like, green is my favorite color, but not just green, but this like shade and tint of green I really like because it's just like a very common type of color. So I had to cop these. I got these in 11.5 as I always go with. So I paid $80 for these and I got them off eBay. So the next shoe, we're gonna go to let's go to the next shoe. Let's get it. So the next shoe that I'm gonna show you all is another 574. for New Balance, and I got this from the Gray Day. They had dropped a 3-pack. The 3-pack consisted of the 574 and the 574 Un-Ing Ding. I think that's how you say it. And it came with and also it dropped with the 5740 New Balance. But again, I went with the classic 574 New Balance from the Gray Day drop, and that's what it looks like. And I just feel like you can't go wrong with this colorway. Like, how can you fuck up a fit with this colorway? You got different tints and shades of gray, and it just complement each other just perfectly. And I already wore these once, and I'm glad that I copped these shoes right here. So let's get right into this shoe. It seems like this whole shoe is basically suede. This whole shoe is just from like this paneling here, here, like on the side, shoe all sueded out. You got the netting again on the toe, and also the end is 3M, which I didn't even notice until I looked down at my shoe when I was standing in some light. I'm like, yo, these motherfuckers reflect. So I'm glad I got this I think that 3M hit actually helped this shoe pop a little bit more, because it's already a subtle shoe, but that 3M helped just give it a little bit more flair to it. So I really like that. And again, we got some netting on the side panel of like where the ankle will be at, on the side of the ankle. And I wore these. I ain't wearing too crazy, but I wore them enough to get a feel for them. I'm glad I copped. These like the perfect dad shoes that are like dad shoes, but they look cool. And I just really like what New Balance is doing. I've been following some of my friends, or you can say my subscribers, they my friends. I've been following some, of course, my boy, Chink. He wear a lot of New Balances, and I had sent him a picture of the other ones. I'm like, yo, I just copped these. He like, yeah, you did the right thing, because New Balance is very popular over here where I stay. Cause I think he's somewhere in Asia. I can't remember. I don't want to be wrong. I know like South Asia somewhere, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry, Chink. But I had to cop these, and I'm glad I ain't miss. I'm glad I didn't miss on this pickup. And this cat is, hold on, let me just show you. Let's look at him. They see you, buddy. They see you. But anyway, that's JD Cat. His name is Moon. So I had to cop me some more 574. So I only got 2 pair right now, but I do plan on copping the 550. I believe that's what the name of the 550 in New Balance. Did I call it NMDs? I hope I ain't call it NMDs. I'm so used to saying NMDs and he started to end. But anyway, I do plan on copping the 550s. And I'm glad that I copped these. Oh yeah, the heel 3M too. Like this part is 3M. I just know that, yeah, this is 3M too. So we got like about 3 hits of 3M. Here, and then on the side, on the inside of it. But yeah, I'm glad that I copped these. Oh, this ain't over yet. We finna get right to the on foot lookbook portion of the video. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed me reviewing these shoes and showing you all what I had copped for this past month. So we finna get right into the lookbook on foot / part of the video. Let's have some fun. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace, and see you in the lookbook.